In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Evernote. This is really useful if you're more comfortable working in another language, or if you've moved to a new region and want Evernote's interface to match your system or everyday use. I'll walk you through the process step by step in the web version of Evernote, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and log into your Evernote account. Once you're signed in and you can see your notes and notebooks, look to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile area. It might show your initials, your profile picture, or your display name. Go ahead and click on that profile name or icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to account-related options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Account Info and click on it. This will take you out of the main notes view and into your account management page. It may open in a new tab or in the same tab depending on your browser, so just give it a moment to load. On the account info page, you'll see several sections related to your Evernote account, like subscription and security. What you want here is the area that controls your personal preferences. Find and click on Personal Settings. This is where Evernote keeps things like your time zone, some interface preferences, and importantly, your display language. Once you're in the Personal Settings section, scroll carefully until you see an option called Display Language. This setting controls the language used for buttons, menus, labels, and other parts of the Evernote interface. Click on Display Language, or on the drop-down menu next to it. A list of available languages will appear. Take a moment to find the language you want to use, then click on it to select it. Make sure you choose the correct version if there are regional variations. After selecting your preferred language, don't leave the page just yet. To apply the change, you need to save it. Look for the button that says Save Changes near the bottom or top of the settings section and click on it. Evernote may refresh, or you might need to reload the page, and then you should see the interface appear in your newly selected language. That's all you need to do to change the language in Evernote on the web.